Well, it is day 38 of the coronavirus shutdown. We have really been missing Syracuse and upstate New York restaurants and going out to eat. So what we've been doing is trying to recreate some of the most iconic Syracuse dishes and food here in our own kitchen. We made a Rochester garbage plate last week and a Hyde's hot dog, and today it's breakfast. So we're going to attempt the whole frittata from Mother's Cupboard.
Our frittata is 6 pounds. It has peppers, onions, sausage, broccoli, pepperoni, and home fries. We add scrambled eggs to it. You have to eat 4 of the grilled Italian ends. You can add cheese if you would like. And if you do it, you get a picture on the wall and a t-shirt.
It's got to be a full 6 pounds. So for some context, I went into our home gym and grabbed 2 of Katrina's 3-pound weights. So we are going to be eating this much frittata today.
It's a lot of frittata.
Gotta burn enough calories to earn that whole frittata.
Okay.
So we'll start with the onions. We've got just more than a pound worth of onions. We've got green and red peppers. At about a pound and an ounce worth of peppers, we'll call it a pound. Now to the broccoli, about 3/4 of a pound. Bag pepperoni, we'll call it 6 ounces.
For the home fries, we're just gonna oil up these potatoes. So I'm going to get some paprika to season those potatoes. Let the home fries start cooking. We're gonna turn on our stove and put it on medium-high heat so we can brown up the pork sausage. So we're gonna try to break up the sausage so it can brown evenly.
We might need a bigger griddle. We are definitely not going to have enough space for this. This is so much food. We got our pepperoni in. Now it's time to get sausage on there. So like realistically, do you think you could eat this in one sitting? No. Like, how does a human do that? All right, let's start cracking some eggs. Got a little shell in there because I'm not that good at this. Just whisk it. We're pouring on our baker's half dozen of eggs, and we're gonna see what happens. I think we're pushing an hour and a half now, and you can order this at a restaurant and they'll have it for you in 20 minutes. I might throw another egg or 2 on here. So now we're up to 9 eggs. So it's time to serve this. We don't have a plate big enough for this massive thing, so we're gonna put it in a serving bowl. Just like weighing in a boxer before a match. All right, so we're at 73.5 ounces, which is just more than 5 pounds. I think we lost some weight in the cook. I guess we could add a pound of cheese.
It does weigh more than 16 ounces, so this will be our finishing touch. Perfect. I'm just gonna eat out of this bowl like a couple of dogs. Let's take a bite. All right, folks, I think we're going to be eating this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the next couple days, but at least it's good. And some more good news is Mother's Cupboard is still open for takeout. In the meantime, here's to all the mediocre cooks out there. Cheers and stay safe.
We have foot-wide pancakes, which some people say are bigger than foot-wide.